Hi there, George here. Today I'm gonna do something new. So, one idea in my head come and why do not make terrarium, and we will see what will grow in it. I will just add forest ground and we'll see what words will grow. So interesting. I make that in the past and I think to make again. Today is 24 March 2020, yeah, and we will see. So interesting. Let's just do that. I already added stones and sand, but I mixed them, and look what layer I have there. Good. Now I have to add soil and we will see what will germinate. Let's do it, but I will put pause. Look here, such good soil I have from the forest. Nice, just and rich humus, you know. That's it. I will mix it a little bit just with another soil. So I already added soil and it's good. I don't water it because the soil was outside and it's easily moist, and we don't need to water too much because can root and life on this terrarium will die. So I have to put this cup on this jar and we will see. So we will see how it will develop and I will make video update if will do well. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end. That means a lot to my channel. Put like and hit the subscribe button if you want. So see you next time. Take care. George was here. Bye bye.